Hey, welcome back. You ever feel like you're stuck on a financial hamster wheel? I mean, you're working your tail off, putting in all the hours, but somehow you're just not getting ahead. Well, today we're going to break down the 3 biggest mistakes that might be holding you back and, more importantly, how to actually fix them. All right, let's get right into it. So let's just start with this powerful idea right here. This is not about you needing to work harder. Nope. In fact, it's the exact opposite. Your hard work isn't the problem, your strategy is. This one idea completely reframes the whole challenge. It's not about effort, it's about financial smarts. Okay, so if grinding more hours isn't the answer, then what is? What are these 3 huge mistakes that really separate people who are struggling from those who are building real wealth? Let's break them down, one by one. First step, pillar number 1. This is all about flipping a super common habit completely on its head. It all comes down to the order you handle your money the second it lands in your bank account. It's time to totally rethink your cash flow. Now, just look at this for a second. The difference seems so simple, but wow, it is profound. See, most of us are taught to live by the path on the left. You get your paycheck, you pay your bills, you buy your stuff, have some fun, and then, if there's anything left over, you try to save it. But the wealthy path? It flips the whole script. You earn money, and the very first move you make is to invest it. You pay yourself first by putting that money to work. Spending is what you do with what's left over. It's a non-negotiable first move, not just an afterthought. So, once you've changed how you use your money, the next big thing is to rethink how you make it. And that brings us to our second pillar. You've got to break free from the hours for dollars trap. See, this trap is built on something called active income. It's your salary, your hourly wage, whatever you charge as a freelancer. It's how most of us make a living. You show up, you do the work, you get paid. And look, there's nothing wrong with that, except for one giant built-in flaw. This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? What happens if you get sick, or you want to take a few months off to travel, or, eventually retire? If all your income is active, what happens when the activity stops? And there it is, a big fat 0. Your income stops. Cold. That's the problem in a nutshell. Relying only on active income means you can never, ever truly stop working. Real financial freedom? That requires income that doesn't depend on you clocking in every single day. Okay, so we've covered what to do with your money and how you make your money, but you can't really get either of those right without this third absolutely critical pillar. This is all about learning the rules to a game that, let's be honest, most of us were never taught how to play. And this slide just highlights a massive gap, doesn't it? In school, they teach us algebra and history, which is fine, but they almost never teach us about taxes, or investing, or how debt really works. Meanwhile, the wealthy, they treat financial education like a daily workout. They're reading books, listening to podcasts, studying the markets. They get that financial success isn't some secret you're born with. It's a skill you have to learn. All right, so we've laid out the 3 big mistakes. But just knowing the problems, well, that's only half the battle. Now let's flip this around and talk about the solution. We're going to turn these 3 mistakes into one powerful blueprint for your own breakthrough. It's time to build your plan. And here it is. It's simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. So, step 1, adopt that invest first mindset. The easiest way? Automate it. Seriously, set up an automatic transfer to your investment account the day you get paid. Step 2, start building income streams that aren't tied to your time. Start small. Just begin researching dividends, real estate, a little side business. And step 3, commit to just 15 minutes of learning a day. Read 1 article, listen to 1 short podcast. Just make it a habit. And the source material leaves us on this incredibly motivating note. Look, this isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a totally new foundation. If you consistently focus on these 3 things, you can fundamentally change where you're headed financially. So, as we wrap this up, the ball is in your court. You don't have to fix all 3 of these at once. The real key is to just start. Pick one. Which one of these is going to be your first step? Which one feels like the most important thing for you right here, right now? Think about it, and then go take that first step.